By the way, we only did 1 day of Secret Santa, cut down on switching, exchanging, and touching them. Hey y'all, it is our last day for faculty and staff. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Hold on, okay, hold on. Hey, this is more like it, y'all. This is more like it, right? Okay, so as I was saying, December 18th, the last day, we'll be getting out of here 12:30. I think lunch will start around 11:15, 11:30. They'll have a little music. We're not doing hunter games. You know, that's something that our principal loves to do. Her namesake of Christmas games, but she said we would not be doing it this year. I'm not even mad about it. In fact, I think that's the safest thing. So we're eating. We had sweets this morning, and this afternoon we'll have a lunch, and then we can head on home. One of my coworkers said she was going out on one wheel, and if she hits the speed bump, she might be flying. So yeah, I hope y'all are having a great day, and let's get started. I'm gonna show you what I got for my Secret Santa here at work. Well, for the person who's on their Secret Santa. I'm gonna show you what I got for her. I'm gonna read off the list of things that she said. Okay, here's a list from the email that we had to send to the person that's over Secret Santa. But she said she likes caffeine-free diet, Mountain Dew, Sprite, sorry, color purple. She likes Bath and Body Works, Barnes and Noble, UNC Chapel Hill, Railroad Steakhouse. Those are some restaurants local that she likes those. Anything related to Christmas, anything dog or cat related, candles, wax warmers, anything with flowers on it, books. Help out Secret Santa, and she is actually the person who got pulled my name last year. So I just thought it was just so I'm excited about that. But yeah, let me show you what I have. Okay, so she loves UNC Chapel Hill, so I decided to get her a card that's blue, snowflakes. And
inside I have little sticky notes for Carolina on it. By the way, y'all, I'm a Duke fan. Just, you know, I just thought that out there. I just thought I'd put that out there, that I am a Duke fan.
And you know, they're serious rivalries. But yeah, Carolina. And then here's the snowflake card. May you believe and enjoy the Christmas season brings your Secret Santa, Krista Henry. Okay, so I got that. Okay. And I think it's very cute. Stripes. Well, stripes and snowflake stripes. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to show you the goodie box, whatever you want to call it, the treats. And this is based on some of the things that she. All right. So here we go, y'all. Oh, I need to turn it around, I think. Okay. So I have her Diet Mountain Dew. She said it didn't matter what kind of candy. I have her Unstoppables wax milk. She likes cats and dogs, so it's Christmas related and cats and dogs. The flower memo pad. Like I said, candy. She likes purple, so I bought her a purple pen. And mainly just candy is what is left, okay? I think that's pretty much it. Okay, and then hopefully she can use this little green container for something. So yeah, that's what I purchased her. Okay, and then the other thing is this. And by the way, we only did 1 day of Secret Santa, cut down on switching, exchanging, touching, and all that stuff. She loves to read, of course, she's an English teacher. Barnes and Noble gift card, $25, and I always include the receipt, y'all, because you never know. You just never know about these things. And then, y'all, I bought her a Carolina. Although I'm a Duke fan. Yeah, this is what I bought from my Secret Santa. And I hope she likes it. We had to spend $20, $25. I think I went over a few dollars, but overall, I tried to stick with it. Definitely. Okay, so that's what I got from my Secret. And then one of my buddies at work, this is what she purchased for me. And I think I'm gonna absolutely love this. Soap and Glory. I had been hearing about these, Buff and Butter, so I am so anxious to use them. This gift card will go to the school social worker and our student support specialist. Well, our student support specialist is actually my niece Shakira, but they're at the middle school in our district today, and they'll come over today in probably another hour or so, and collect anything that faculty and staff had to donate to a family of girls who lost their dad all of a sudden. I didn't know what to pick out because they kind of requested it within the last couple of days. So I was like, let me just grab a gift card, and maybe the social worker can go and pick out something, or the adults who asked. So yeah, I had to do a little something. So yeah, like I said, we got a little time left. I'm gonna my the co-workers that I eat lunch with, and then get those to them. I'm gonna stuff socks with a couple different things, mostly candy though. And then I'm gonna head down. It'll be some time for us to start eating. Yeah, I'm having a good day. I am having a great day. Having a great day. Okay, so I have it wrapped up. Believe in the magic. Ooh, I'm looking wild today, y'all. What does my shirt say, y'all? This is the same shirt I had on the other day when I went to see my former student, but it's okay, If you don't believe, you don't receive, right?